Lesson number 7. Explanation. The things produced in farms like food grains, vegetables, milk, etc. are sent in the city. And the things manufactured in the factories like farming implements, clothes, medicines, automobiles, etc. are transported to villages. Factories are mostly situated near the city because of availability of energy, water, etc. Thus rural and urban people are dependent upon each other. Earlier goods were transported by animals like bullocks, elephants, camels, horses and donkeys. Now it is transported by ships, automobiles, trains, aeroplanes which are faster. For this purpose, roads are built and railway lines are also built in large scale. Dialects. We communicate our thoughts to other people through the language medium. The same language is spoken in different ways in different regions. The pronunciation of the words changes with the region. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra, and Ahirani, Malwani and Waradi are some dialects of the Marathi language. In olden days, pigeons were used for sending messages. A piece of paper or cloth was tied to the bird's legs. Now we use the newspaper, phones, computer, post, TV, etc. for communication.